practical application of good manners. Politeness costs nothing but gain everything. Our Holy Prophet ﷺ said that smile is a simple charity. We should always be cheerful with our friends and family. Thank you.
I am Kamra from UP. Politeness is an important virtue for everyone. Politeness means being civilized and have good manners. A polite person is always respected in society. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. My name is Fazaia. A polite person is always a good person. Politeness is important for everyone. I am a polite person because I never speak rudely and I respect other feelings. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Sham. Today my topic is politeness. Politeness is regarded as a good manner. Politeness is developed from home. Polite people always stay righteous. We should be polite with our friends and family and all people around us. Goodbye.
Is a flower of human. Politeness is one of the most grateful tolerance of life. It makes life beautiful. Politeness comes with work and with action. Politeness do not mean doing butterflying. Politeness means speaking or asking with a face of flower. Politeness is all to do what to and to do it is below. Politeness play. Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdullah Sagir Abasi. Today my topic is politeness. Politeness is an important virtue for everyone. A polite person is always respected and loved by all. Politeness means being civilized and cultured. Teaching children to be polite and considerate for others' feelings is a good manner. Polite behavior is a social manner which costs nothing but brings a lot to a successful life. Thank you. Politeness is the practical application of good manners. Politeness is the principle that we all need to follow in life. A polite person is a good person. Politeness is another duty when life in society. Polite words can win everyone's hearts. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Aiza Kudu. My topic is politeness. Politeness is the practical application of good manner. There is no doubt that you would love to talk to a person who have a smile on his face. Politeness is an important social skill that can help you make friends. Politeness is the art of behaving in a pleasant manner. Thank you. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وقولوا للناس حسنا. तर्जुमा और लोगों के साथ अच्छे तरीके से बात करो. अल्लाह ताला ने इस आयत में ये इरशाद फरमाया हमें लोगों के साथ अच्छे तरीके से बात करनी चाहिए. अल्लाह हमें अमल की तौफीक अता फरमाए. आमीन.
dear teacher, I am Mohammad Satsama from class 12. Today our topic is politeness. A polite person is a pleasing person. When we are polite, we are well respected and loved by everyone. We must be obedient, saying please, thank you, you first, sorry, are good manners. Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam teach about good manners. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my class fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahmoud from class 2. The topic that I am making today is politeness. A strong man rules the world, but a polite man rules our hearts. Politeness costs nothing, but you can get everything being polite. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is politeness. Our Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was very kind and polite. We should follow his footsteps. We should be polite to others. We should be polite to our parents. We should be polite to our teachers. We should be polite to our class fellows. Our polite behavior shows our good training. Rude people are not liked by God. Be polite and be humble. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahin Shakir from class 3A. Today my topic is politeness. A polite person is loved by everyone. We can become polite by saying words. Example, say sorry, say excuse me and thank you. When someone gives us something, say thank you. When we do a mistake, say sorry.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Umar Farooq, class 2 EID 14344. You can win this word with polite word. Politeness is developed from the home. Polite people always be happy. Polite people always shiny love. Dear principal and teachers, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is politeness. Politeness is called good manners. Good manners teach us how to behave each other. Our Islam teach us politeness. Use courtesy words like as please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. Our Islam tell us do not hurt everybody's feelings. Allah loves those who act politely. Polite people are always a good person. Thank you.
My teacher and classmate, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dayan Amir from class 2. Let me share some polite expression with you. When we ask for help or for someone, we should say please. When someone gives or does something for us, we should say thank you. When we hurt someone, we should say sorry. When we are asking for help, when we are asking for permission, we should say may I. Thank you. Politeness is developed from the home. Politeness shows how much dignified and useful you. Politeness is the principle that we are need to follow. Being polite never create readiness for us. Polite people always say thank you, we say please, and excuse me when we see. We do what's right. We have manners. We are polite. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We say thank you, we say please, and excuse me when we sneeze. That's the way we do what's right. We have manners, we are polite.